God has a call for you, and for you, and for you. And all you need to do is silence with the whole noise that this world makes around us, and do not enable us to listen to our heart. Or if you're tired of running in circles in this loophole, get a Bible, open a Bible, close your eyes, ask for forgiveness in your knees, and your life will be transformed, as same as mine. You will feel something that you never felt. And as long you give more space, as long you give more time to God, as a relationship, you will understand what I'm talking about.